Hello everyone, welcome to the Dynamic Techie. Today I am going to describe how to upload a file inside Google Colab. So let's start today's video. So for uploading a file inside Google Colab, we need only two lines. So at first we have to import files from google.colab. So let's write it from google.colab. I'll import files. Then I need a variable. Let's give the name as uploaded. Inside this variable, I'll use inbuilt function upload. So I'm gonna use files.upload and let's run it. And here you can see that you can easily get an option choose files, and from this choose files you can easily upload any files from your PC. So yeah, in this way you can easily upload any kind of files. Thanks for watching. Thank you.